Hi guys, good evening. Today you see me painting on a leather bag. This is freestyle decorative painting, and this is not a tutorial video, it's more like of a demo video. So I made this video so that people can see what all can be done on what kind of painting can be done on leather bags, on plain leather clutches or leather bags. I have this plain leather clutch that I was getting quite bored of, so I thought I'll perk it up a little by painting on the front side. So I've just done the base coat on these two flowers, and now I'm going to first do the base coat on all of my design. Same way I'm going to do the base coat over all of the design, but I'll switch off the camera here because I don't want to bore anyone, and I will come back when the rest of the design has been base coated. So I'm done with the majority of the base coat, and now I'm going to put details in the flowers. As you can see, I've already done the dark shading here, and now I'm going to start doing the light shading on the flowers, paint the petals and other details. Guys, this style of painting is known as Bon Melerai. It is a folk art form from Europe. This is the Bavarian, Germany area. This art form is practiced in that area. It's called Bon Melerai. And this is the typical way that they paint flowers. This is one flower. It's supposed to be a rose. This is how roses are painted in this Bon Melerai form of art. Do the rest of the flowers also on camera. I'll just pause it for a bit and prepare the colors needed. So I've prepared the colors and again taken that color and the color white on my brush, and now I'm going in and painting the details on this one. It doesn't matter if the individual petals are a little uneven, because they're not supposed to be even. The streaks can be different on this one and different on the next. That's all part of the beauty of a hand painted thing. It doesn't have to be and it never can be exactly identical. So those little imperfections and asymmetries are a part of the charm of anything that is handmade. Now I'll come on to this flower. This is the major part of the design done. All that's left now is, I don't know if you can see on camera, but the design calls for these scrolls to be put in here and a few teardrop shapes on these two sides. So now I'm deciding what color to use for these. Probably I'll use red or pink only, because that's the main flowers are of that color. So I'm just going to get the red and pink colors and come back here. Okay, I'm ready with the colors. I'm just a little scared because this particular part of the design requires a lot of hand control. It's a little difficult to do it in such a confined space. That side's done. All right. That's better. Alright. Now for the C shapes, teardrop shapes here. Alright, that's done, and now let's put the dots inside these roses. And now I'm just going to put the centers in these flowers because the centers are totally bare right now. So just a few dabs and dots with your brown color, and we are done. So this is the kind of simple painting that I like to do. And do let me know your comments. Do let me know how you liked it. Was it simple? Was it hard? Does it look appealing to you? And also, now that you've seen what can be done on a boring leather clutch like this, if you have a leather clutch lying around in the house that you're tired of and you want to perk it up, now you know what to do with it, where to send it, right? All right. Have a great day. Bye-bye.